Hello YouTube, let's learn this Fontaines DC song. Alright, we're going to learn that song, and we're going to use basically some shapes that it should be familiar to you. One of the shapes is this A minor shape. Okay. If we take that A minor shape in the open position, we just play the top three strings, we get this. Alright, that's our first shape. We're going to move it up to the 6th fret. Okay, so we got index on the 6, middle finger on the B string at the 7, and ring finger on the G string at the 8. It's like a stair step. That's the first chord. It's like part of this larger chord, E flat minor. Okay, but you see this part of the E flat minor is the same as this. Same shape. We're going to play. Now the second chord is this one. That is a B flat minor. Now if we look at this E minor shape we learned in the open position, if we play the top three strings, look what we got. Okay, so we're just going to take our finger and play that at the 6th fret. I think they do a slide up. We're going to do the exact same thing we did at the 6th. We're going to do that at the 11th. So I had just put my ring finger on the G string at the 8th, and I slide it up to 13. But the shape I'm going to is same one we played down here. So we're going to start at 11, index on the 11 on the high E, middle on the 12 on the B, ring on the G string on the 13. And then we go to the. Alright, those are our next two chords. And that is that's an A minor of A flat minor to E flat minor. Okay, but we're just playing the top three strings. Alright, then the next part, I just do a little walk down on the G string. First one is 11, 13, 11. Then I go 10, 11, 10. Do we end on the 8 on the G? Over the string, and then I use this shape, the A shape. Okay, except slide it all the way up to fret 11. So I'm playing on the D, G, B at the 11th fret. Then we just slide that same shape down to 6, down to 4. 11, 6, 4, over the spring. The sailors were drinking American wine. Over the spring. It's such a spring, I think. Nice thing on this Fontaine song. There's a bridge forgot about that. Yeah, it's just though they don't know. Just using this the same chords we did at the 11th fret. Might even go into it from this A flat. It's mostly just pedaling between those two chords. Then it ends with the same. It's only the other part of the song. All right, so there we go. 3 shapes. We had the E minor shape and the A minor shape and just the regular old A shape. We can play that song. I've never seen them perform it, so like where they show the guitar. So I have no idea how they're actually playing it. There is another video on YouTube that shows you a nice arrangement of it. So, you know, and then I saw a cover of it by a professional musician on YouTube. So maybe I'll link to those videos in the description. But all 3 of us are playing it a different way. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.